Imagine turning a simple text idea into a cinematic AI video in less than 60 seconds. No editing skills, no expensive software, and no complicated timeline. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning AI videos using Pika Labs, and by the end, you'll be able to generate your own AI videos with just a few clicks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an easy way to create professional-looking AI videos, Pika Labs is one of the best tools available right now. Let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, visit the Pika Labs website and create a free account. Once you log in, you'll see the video generation dashboard where all the magic happens. Now click on the text to video option and type a detailed prompt. For example, a futuristic city at sunset, flying cars, cinematic, camera movement, ultra-realistic 4K quality. The more details you add, the better your video will look. Try including lighting, camera angles, style, and motion descriptions. After entering your prompt, select your preferred settings and click Generate. Pika Labs will start creating your video automatically. The process usually takes just a few moments. Once your video is ready, preview it. If you want better results, simply improve your prompt by adding more details. You can also experiment with different styles like realistic, anime, cinematic, or fantasy. And that's how easy it is to create amazing AI videos using Pika Labs. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what AI video you want to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.